This is going to be the homework solution for page 167, numbers 45 and 46. We have number 45 here. It says music download. In this problem, you will investigate the change between two quantities. The quantities that are changing here is one is the number of songs downloaded and the total cost. And this is their ratio, the total cost divided by the number of songs downloaded. Okay, so for example, in iTunes, okay, you can download certain songs from iTunes and they cost a certain amount of dollars. So if I downloaded $2, that's what this means here, number of songs download. If I downloaded 2 songs, it cost me $4. Okay, and what is the total cost? The total cost here is 4, so I would put 4 divided by the number of songs downloaded, which is 2. And if I do that, that will equal to the number 2. Okay, next, if I downloaded 4 songs, my cost would be $8. So let's do that again. What is the total cost? The total cost is 8 divided by, that's the divide symbol, the number of songs downloaded, which is 4. That is equal to, that is also equal to, 2. Okay. Next, same thing here. 6 songs downloaded, it's going to cost me $12. So 6 divided by 12 equals to 2. Right? There seems to be a pattern. 2, 4, 6. Let me just write it. Here's the pattern. Think about it. Okay, let's think about it. 2, 4, then 6. It seems like it is going up by 2 each time. Okay, you should notice that. That is the pattern that is happening. Okay, so if it's going up by 2 each time, this should become 8, then 8 becomes 10, then this becomes 12. Okay, let's look at the pattern for the total cost. What is the total costs pattern? Okay. We start off with 4, then we go to 8, then we go to 12. How much is it increasing by? Seems like to increase by 4 each time. Okay, let's see. Let's do some math. Let's check the math. Okay, 8 subtract 4 is 4, and 12 subtract 8 is also equal to 4. Okay, so it seems like it is being increased by 4 each time. So 12 plus 4 equals to 16. That's where I got here. 16, right, plus 4 is equal to 20. That's how I got 20 here for the second one. Then 20 plus 4 equals to 24. Okay, that's how I filled in all these numbers. Okay, let me just take that pattern off for you. It seems to be here. Let's do the total cost. So total songs is 16. Ooh, the total cost, right? Oops, sorry, this should be 12.6. Yeah. 16, which is my total cost, divided by 8. That is going to be equal to 2. Here, 20 divided by 10. 20 divided by 10 is equal to 2. And 24 divided by 12 is equal to 2. Alright? So, do you see how these are all 2's? So, I already did the work, so I'm just going to take it out. Alright. Seems to be this is my total cost divided by the number of songs download. Okay? So, as the number of songs download increase, let me just highlight this. Songs download increase. Where is that? This is what it's referring to right here. Okay? Well, that was bad. Sorry about that. Okay? That is what it's referring to here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. How does the total cost change? So they're asking, how does the total cost change? The total cost is referred to here. How much is it changing? So it goes from 4 to 8 to 12 to 16 to 20 to 24. It seems like it is increasing by 4 each time. So I would say, there you go. It seems like it is increasing by 4 each time. What does it mean here, right? It seems like, what is it? It seems like that is the total cost. Okay? Don't just give a random noun. Make sure you give the content of that noun. So the total cost is that noun that I'm looking for is increasing by, what is $4? Okay? Make sure you put the unit here. $4 each time. Okay, there you go. Now, it seems like C is asking us to interpret the value of the total cost divided the number of the sounds downloaded. It seems like this is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, so ask yourself, what? Ask yourself this question to simplify the question. What does the value of 2 mean, right, for the content of total cost divided by the number of sounds downloaded? Okay, ask yourself that question. What does the value 2 mean? It seems like that is the cost of one song. Okay, that is the cost of one song. Okay, let's see if that's correct. Okay, so let's put boom. All right, so okay, let's just work backwards. 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. It should be 1. Right? Okay. 1. And this is 2. Whoa, let me see. Okay. Whoa, sorry. This should be black. Right? And this should be green. Let's see if that holds true. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Alright. So let's divide the total cost, which is 2, divided by the number of songs downloaded, 1. Okay. That equals to 2. So that matches up. Do you see how it matches up? So it says that when total cost is 1 and when the when the total cost is 2, right? This is the number of songs downloaded. Okay? Is 1. Do you see that? When the total cost is 2, the number of songs downloaded is 1. So that is what that means. Okay? There you go. I could even put the number. Okay? When the cost is $2, the number of songs downloaded is 1. There you go. Okay? That is your answer there. Okay? Good? Alright, let's look at the next one. The next one is an error analysis question. These two students solve 3x plus 5 equals to 2x plus 4 by graphing the relative function. Is either of them correct? Explain your reason. I have the function here, so let me just solve it, okay? So here what I did is I wrote the equation, okay? That should always be our first step. And let me put all the variables on one side. So let me subtract 2x here and subtract 2x, okay? So this is my subtract 2x to both sides, okay? The reason why I do that is I'm trying to get the variable on one side, okay? And I move the smallest number, okay? Or the smallest value, which was 2x. This becomes a 1x, 3x, subtract 2x, okay? And I am left with this, okay? This is when I simplify. Next, looks like the x is not alone, so what I have to do is I have to subtract the 5, and I do that to both sides. Okay. subtract the 5 to both sides. The reason I do that is I'm trying to get the variable alone. Okay. All right. Okay. Once I do that, 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 minus negative 5 is negative 1. So we don't ever want to put that 1 here. So x equals to negative 1. So it seems like Kale here did it right. Okay, x equals to 1. When is x equals to 1? X equals to 1, okay, when y is 0. Alright? Okay. Good. So the x-intercept is negative 1 comma 0. There you go. Okay, the only one that has negative 1 comma 0 is KO. That is why I believe KO did it correct. Krista here did it wrong. Okay, and that is your homework solution for page 167, numbers 45 and 46.